Hey everyone, I'm Kenzie. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you're ready to take your juicing game to the next level, you're gonna love this. Today, we're diving into the Breville Juice Fountain Elite, a 1,000-watt beast that's all about power and fresh juice. Stick around to see if it's the juicer for you and check the link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's break down the features. The Breville Juice Fountain Elite rocks a 1,000-watt motor with 2 speeds, 13,000 RPM for hard fruits and veggies like apples or beets, and 6,500 RPM for softer ones like berries. Its 3-inch wide chute lets you toss in whole fruits without much chopping. The titanium-reinforced cutting disc and stainless steel micro-mesh filter squeeze out up to 30% more juice than traditional juicers, and you get a 35-ounce jug with a froth separator plus a 3.2-quart pulp container. Most parts are dishwasher-safe, and the cord wraps neatly for storage. Now, the pros. This juicer is a powerhouse. Users say it juices in seconds, even with tough produce, and the wide chute saves tons of prep time. The stainless steel build looks sleek and feels durable, perfect for daily use. Customers love the high juice yield and smooth results, and cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts. It's great for big batches, making it ideal for families or juice enthusiasts. Plus, the design prevents leaks, keeping your counter clean, but there are some cons. The motor can be loud at high speed, so it's not great for quiet mornings. Some users noted the plastic pitcher feels flimsy and may wear down over time from acidic juices. There were rare reports of motor issues after heavy use, so it's best for moderate juicing. It's also a bit pricey, which might not suit casual juicers. Should you buy the Breville Juice Fountain Elite? I say yes if you're serious about juicing, want fast results, or need to make large batches for your family. It's perfect for health buffs or anyone who loves fresh juice, though occasional juicers might prefer a cheaper model. That's my take on the Breville Juice Fountain Elite. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. To grab this juicer at the best price, click the affiliate link in the description for special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.